Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and it's time for day 14 of the 30 days of sketches. We're nearly halfway through and I am caught up. Woohoo! Okay, anyway, so today's sketch is by Ginger Bush and it's a double page sketch. Not very often we see double pages, so I have the perfect amount of photos for this layout. I've got a few less than she has, and I'm making a few changes. I'm not doing circles in the background. I am using circle elements though, and I'm not using the film strips. But anyway, let's see what I'm doing. Can't share the photos. They're of my son with his new car, so I have placeholders for the photos. I'm using the No Limits collection from Uniquely Creative. No, Cocoa Vanilla. Anyway, I've been using so much Uniquely Creative lately, it just comes out. So anyway, it's the No Limits collection by Cocoa Vanilla, and I'm not sure the year on this, 2022. So it's a fun collection, stars and outer space and stuff, but I'm not using it for outer space. I'm using it for a boy page, and I've got all my embellishments here. I've sort of worked out my clusters and how it's going to come together. So let's just get on with it. I'm going to fast forward you and I'll be back at the end. Okay, there is my completed double page spread. It matches the sketch to a certain degree. I haven't used the circles, like I said. I've used rectangle pieces of paper there instead. To replace the film strips, I've just got strips of paper there. I've got a lot of photos like on the sketch. I've got 2 over here instead of the 1 4x6, and then I've got 4 photos over here, but I do have a small photo like over here. Ginger has some small photos, so I do have a small photo here, and then some 3x4s. The rest of them are all 3x4s. My journaling is going down here. This sticker is crooked and that's going to worry me enormously, so I may have to lift that and re-stick it down. I'm hoping I got all the stickers and the backing off all the stickers, because I got a little bit confused as to what a sticker was. Oh, sorry, not what a sticker was, but which ones were stickers and which ones were just die cut elements. So I'm hoping eventually I don't find that one of them that I've actually used glue on is a sticker and it peels off the sticker layer eventually. We'll see. I'll come back in 20 years and let you know. Anyway, that is my layout. If you have liked it, please give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And don't forget to check out the playlist below for everyone else who is playing along with the 30 Days of Sketches. Thank you so much for popping in and watching my video. Please comment below any comments or questions or whatever. Yeah, and until the next one, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.